Congratulations! You've now learned how to use some of the most popular AI tools available today: ChatGPT, Gemini, Claude, OpenClaw, and Manus AI. Each tool has its own strengths. ChatGPT is great for content creation and everyday business tasks. Gemini works well for research and productivity. Claude excels at long-form writing and document analysis. OpenClaw helps automate workflows using AI agents. And Manus AI is designed to handle larger projects and research tasks. Now let's focus on the next steps you should take. Step 1. Choose one AI tool that best fits your current needs. Don't try to learn everything at once. Start with a single tool and become comfortable using it. Step 2. Use that tool on a real task. Create a social media post, write a product description, summarize a document, or generate a business report. Practical experience is the fastest way to learn. Step 3. Experiment with different prompts and instructions. Notice how better instructions lead to better results. Step 4. Identify repetitive tasks in your work or business and look for opportunities to use AI to complete them faster. Step 5. Continue building your skills by testing new features, workflows, and use cases as they become available. Remember, you don't need to become an AI expert overnight. The goal is simply to learn how these tools can help you solve real problems, save time, and create more value. The people who consistently use AI in their daily work will have a significant advantage in productivity, efficiency, and business growth. Thank you for watching, and I wish you success on your AI journey. Start practicing today, keep learning, and take action on what you've learned. The sooner you begin, the sooner you'll start seeing results.